Hi Stan.
Hi guys, and what brings you here in the park?
Company Stan would like to show us something amazing.
You mean Saizil, the genius girl in our school?
Yes, and what are you waiting? Let's go!
Finally, I've been waiting for you guys. Now use the suit in my room.
Huh? A suit?
Yes, it's a special suit. Now hurry up.
A few moments later.
Wow, this suit feels comfy.
Yeah, amazing, right?
So what are we going to do next?
First, take one scanner in the table.
Done!
Now click the white button.
What does the button do?
You will know once you try.
Whoa, that was cool. Wait, it's a cell floating right in front of me. Let me scan it. Wait, I'm inside a cell? Nucleus. The nucleus is the structure near the center of a cell surrounded by a membrane. It contains the cell's DNA. It regulates and controls the cell in activity and manages the process in the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is defined as a series of folded membranes in the cells which are associated with the protein synthesis, storage, and the movement of cellular materials. An example of the endoplasmic reticulum is the place that steroids are stored in the cells for later use. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a part of endoplasmic reticulum that is tubular in form and lacks ribosome. It is present in eukaryotic cells and associated with lipid synthesis, carbohydrate metabolism, regulation of calcium concentration, and drug detoxification. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER, series of connected flattened sacs, part of continuous membranes organelle within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells, that plays a central role in the synthesis of proteins. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are membrane-bound cell organelles that generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reaction or produce power. Chemical energy produced by the mitochondria is stored in a small molecule called adenosine triphosphate. Cell membrane. The cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane, is found in all cells and separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. The cell membrane consists of a lipid bilayer that is semi-permeable. The cell membrane regulates the transport of materials entering and exiting the cell. It provides protection for a cell. It also provides a fixed environment inside the cell, and that membrane has several different functions. One is to transport nutrients into the cell and also to transport toxic substances out of the cell.
Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a gelatinous liquid that fills the inside of a cell. It is composed of water, salts, and various organic molecules. Some intracellular organelles, as such the nucleus and mitochondria, are enclosed by membrane that separates them from the cytoplasm. It provides a platform upon which other organelles can operate within the cell. All of the functions for cell expansion, growth, and replication are carried out in the cytoplasm of a cell. Centrosome. A centrosome is a cellular structure involved in the process of cell division. Proteins called microtubules assemble into a spindle between the two centrosomes and help separate the replicated chromosomes into the daughter cell. Lysosomes. A lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzymes. Lysosomes are involved with various cell processes. They break down excess or worn-out cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria. Ribosomes. Ribosome is a cellular particle made of RNA and protein that serves as the site of protein synthesis in the cell. The ribosomes read the sequence of the messenger ribonucleic acid or mRNA, and using the genetic code, translate the sequence of RNA bases into sequence of amino acid. Wow, Carl! I didn't expect to see you inside an animal cell.
So we are inside Sizel's cat?
Yes, we are inside her cat.
By the way, have you seen Ian and Stanley?
No, but it shows they are inside on a plant. One of Sizel's plant maybe.
Meanwhile,
Hey Ian, where do you think are we now?
I think we're outside in a cell. Maybe we can just scan it for us to make sure.
Cell wall. A cell wall is a structural layer surrounding some types of cells, just outside the cell membrane. It can be tough, flexible, and sometimes rigid. It provides the cell with both structural support and protection, and also acts as a filtering mechanism.
Golgi bodies. A Golgi body, also known as a Golgi apparatus, is a cell organelle that helps process and package proteins and lipid molecules, especially proteins destined to be exported from the cell.
Vacuole. A vacuole is a membrane-bound cell organelle. In animal cells, vacuoles are generally small and help sequester waste products. In plant cells, vacuoles help maintain water balance. Sometimes a single vacuole can take up most of the interior space of the plant cell.
Chloroplast. A chloroplast is an organelle within the cells of plants and certain algae that is the site of photosynthesis, which is the process by which energy from the sun is converted into chemical energy for growth. Now we're done exploring. I think we should head back.
You're right, we should head back.
So, was it fun?
Yes, we all enjoyed it a lot.
Still, we have a lot of questions to ask you.